Hello, my name is Mr. Ramirez, and today I will be doing my informative speech for my speech class. The topic of my informative speech is why do sloths move so slowly? Sloths are fascinating animals that heavily rely on their slowness, not just their speed. Um, there are many factors that affect the speed of the sloth, the three big ones being the metabolism, their diet, and their body structure. It is said that sloths move so slowly that even algae can grow out of their hair. With this, many people start asking as why they move so slowly and if their slowness is a downside to their survivability. But science has proven that slowness is one of the main reasons that they can survive in their environment that is filled with predators. So the first one is metabolism. Their metabolism is incredibly slow, just like them. Like cows, sloths have multi-chambered stomachs that slowly process the food that they eat, and slowly gets all the nutrients that it needs out of it. This slow metabolism leads to very slow energy production. With this little energy, sloths only have a certain amount of energy that is available to them so they can move. Mammals and humans also need a lot of energy to move around and do our daily tasks. Because of their metabolism, they don't have a lot of energy. That's why sloths only use the energy that is available to them, which is not a lot to move around. Diet is also very correlated with their metabolism. Sloths live in Central and South America, where their main source of diet and food is Cecropia leaves. Cecropia leaves may take a lot of time to digest, especially in their multi-chambered stomachs, because their stomachs slowly extracts all the nutrients. Above all this, Cecropia leaves have very little proteins and nutrients. This further increases the probability of not having a lot of energy for the sloths. Cecropia leaves are also very high on fiber, and usually fiber is the thing that our stomachs take the most time to digest. With the sloth's slow metabolism already, fiber even makes it even slower, which leads to even less energy available to them. Third is their body structure. A lot of mammals rely on their legs to move around very fastly to get away from the predators. Sloths are the opposite. Instead of most of their muscles being on their legs, most of their muscles are on their arms. This helps them hang on the trees for a long amount of time using the very least amount of energy possible. This allows them to hang for many hours and sleep on the trees. So how do sloths survive? Sloths survive on these three main factors that I've mentioned: metabolism, diet, and body structure. They hang from trees, which makes them not that visible to predators such as jaguars. Their algae helps them further blend in, which, because they live in the trees, further helps them blend into their environment. They live in an environment where jaguar is their main predator. Jaguars are heavily reliant on fast movement to identify their prey. With their slow movement, sloths don't attract jaguars, which makes them survive in their environment. So, in conclusion, sloths are very unique animals that many people think are not that high at being able to survive. This is just not true because they have many factors that I've mentioned already: metabolism, diet, and body structure that helps them survive in their environment that they live in. Even the algae helps them blend in, which many people think is very interesting. So this is the end of my informative speech. These are the note cards that I used. Thank you for watching.